Hey, so if you want everything in ShareX to run automatically from capturing to uploading, yeah, setting up a workflow is the key. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to create the perfect ShareX workflow. First, open ShareX and go to Task Settings. This is where you control what happens after every capture. Next, choose what happens after you take a screenshot. You can enable options like Open Image Editor, Copy to Clipboard, or Upload Image. Now, configure what happens after uploading. For example, copy the URL automatically or shorten the link. Select your upload destination, like Imgur or other platforms supported by ShareX. You can customize file naming rules. Yeah, so your screenshots are organized automatically. To speed things up, assign hotkeys that trigger your workflow instantly. Now test everything. Take a screenshot and check if it follows your workflow correctly from capture to final result. And finally, fine-tune your workflow. You can always adjust settings to match your exact needs. So yeah, that's how to set up a workflow in ShareX. Once you get this right, everything becomes faster, smoother, and fully automated. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech guides.